Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Bitcoin. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see and as per my last picture analysis, we know that Bitcoin has been overall bullish from a long-term perspective from weekly time frame, making higher lows and higher highs, and we are currently around the lower bound of this bullish trend, also stuck inside a big range. As you clearly see, we have been trading between the 25k and the 30k for a long period of time, and currently around the lower bound. That's why we're expecting the bulls to kick in any time. Of course, as we trade higher, we'll be finding rejection around this supply zone. Meanwhile, we are stuck inside the small range. We can still trade lower, push inside the support zone before we trade higher. That's why we don't buy blindly. We always zoom into lower time frames and wait for extra confirmation. But as long as the 24,300 holds, the boost can still kick in and push Bitcoin higher. Of course, unless it's broken downward, it wouldn't be good at all. We'll be expecting further bearish movement till around the 20k, 21k. For now, let's take it step by step and zoom into lower time frames. If you zoom into H4, if you remember my previous analysis that I'll be waiting for a break above this previous high for the bulls to take over. Now we went lower, of course we went deeper, we rejected the 25k round number, traded higher, and I'm still waiting for the exact same thing, but of course now in a different way like this for the bulls to take over. Let me delete it and throw it again. That's it. If we have this break, we'll be expecting a bullish movement till around this supply zone, which would be lining up with the upper trend line, acting as an overall direction, a way to feel the market. Of course, this supply zone and then price can still dive around the 28k and the trend line before trading lower. Of course, unless the bulls take over or remain in control by breaking up of it. But step by step, I'm waiting for this break for the bulls to take over medium term. Meanwhile, from a short term perspective from H1, if you break below this low, which would be around 25,740, we'll be expecting further bearish movement till this demand zone, as we had an aggressive bullish movement this week from this area. In this case, if we trade lower, we'll be looking for short-term buy stops again, just like we did, for example, here. So, long story short, again and again, if we break above this, expect a movement till this supply zone. If we break below this, expect a movement till this 25k, and then we'll be looking for new buy setups. And you already know the big picture from weekly time frame. For the bulls take over long term, we need to see a break above the 32k, which I've mentioned multiple times previously. It's a support, turn resistance, supply zone, 30k round number, and so on. Anyway, that's it for now. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.